Rohr here with an early concise highlight on Friday, June 26, 2015. It is currently 8:15 a.m. U.S. Central Time. We're coming to you quite a bit later than usual because we wanted to get as close to the U.S. opening as possible with the fine line market reactions to what is a continuing contentious situation between Greece and the creditors. And we have to ask, what does that mean to the markets? And the S&P 500 future, hourly on the left, 30-minute on the right, ended up in a very critical position yesterday as we sunk below the 2096 level. Of course, 2100 to 2096 has been a consistently important zone, an over-under of sorts, but nonetheless important. And as it turns out this morning, the market is up 4 at 2098. Now that's very important because if you're not below 2096, then the market could well be rescuing itself and be on its way back up to higher levels. If you lapse back below 2096 later today and start to take some more weakness, especially after a higher opening, get back lower on the day below 2094, even though there is some support back into the 2090 to 88 range, and you can even pick up on a bit of that in recent history back here, then a new low for the week into Friday, and as importantly with the hourly MACD then probably remaining out below its lower runaway band, looks like it wants to feed on itself. But as of right now, considering all of the impasse and the likely failure of Greece to come up with an agreement with the creditors, this looks like we have a Greek miss on its repayment to the IMF early next week. That's going to raise the specter of a formal technical default, and at this point it looks like the equities are just not taking that too badly, and the govies do not believe it's going to be a major impact to create a haven bid, to create a lot of economic weakness. The term that is making the rounds right now is ring fence, as if they're going to shut off the damage from Greece so it doesn't damage other economies. We shall see. That pretty much does it for the short-term view of the S&P 500.